On the journey to becoming the best version of you, there are often moments where things get complicated, and a once already thin line between the right choice and the wrong one becomes barely visible. However, it is in these key moments that our character is tested, and we are propelled into becoming more of who we are. This is why knowing how to make the right choice is such an important factor on the journey of you becoming your best you. Hi, I'm HC, and here are the 4 steps that can help you make the right choice. Step 1. Be attentive. In this context, to be attentive means to be conscious of all factors that may have an influence on your decision. This means to consider your emotional state, consider why you have been brought to make this decision at all, and consider who it may interest or benefit for you to make said decision. By being attentive, you are leaving little to no room to speculation, and benefiting from the fact that you have put yourself in the best position to make the most informed choice given the circumstances. Being attentive will help you cope with any outcome of your choice, because you can be sure that given everything that you knew and given all factors involved, you did exactly what you could have done according to what you were presented with. It is important to accept that sometimes you are so focused on what you think should work, or rather, so distracted by the way you think and feel things should be, that you are blind to what things actually are. To be attentive is to listen, speak, and experience with the intention to understand and appreciate what is happening to you and around you, as opposed to trying to make the situation something that it's not. This leads us to our next step. Step 2, set intentions, but don't overthink. To set intentions is to be honest with yourself about what you expect from the choice that you are about to make. Ask yourself, what do you intend to gain, influence, or change with this choice? Once you know what you are expecting, consider if this choice will bring you closer to that intention, or closer to confusion and the feeling of being incomplete instead. Once you know what you expect through your set intentions, you can determine if you are receiving what you expected after this decision is made, and then, as a result, be fully conscious of how to move forward accordingly. This means that regardless of the outcome of your choice, you will know to walk away from anything crippling you or holding you back, and move towards what serves you. Thus, be wise about your intentions and expectations, but don't overthink it, because on the journey to becoming who you are, what does not result in an immediate victory will result in a lesson. Both results will give you the experience needed to continue forward. Trust that it is your natural ability to attract what you want and need, create what you believe in, and live out your truth. Life works in your favor. Step 3. Act in love and fulfillment. To act in love and fulfillment is to lean towards the choice that will result in more love, fulfillment, and inner peace in your life, versus an option that may promote short-term gain but also encourages long-term confusion. This does not mean to trot a path of least resistance. However, it does mean to be conscious that your well-being is an important part of any decision to be made. Acting in love and fulfillment will help you discern and think twice about a situation that appears to be a quick fix, and encourage you to consider your life long term. Ask yourself, what are the consequences of this choice I am about to make? What is the expected result? Does this choice bring me closer to who I intend to become, or does it further complicate my journey? Once you honestly answer these general questions to yourself and consider what you are standing for, you can be more sure of which direction to go. And finally, our fourth step. Step 4. Abandon fear. To abandon fear is to allow yourself to go and to trust that you are capable of making the best decision for yourself. You, yes, you can do it. Always remember, the more you live is the more you experience and discover. Thus, it is the more you become fulfilled. To live in fear is to stout your growth and to accept that there are limits to your progress and appreciation of this life. To abandon fear in this context is to have faith in your path and to avoid restricting yourself from experiencing more of what your life has to offer. Yes, your choice could lead you down an unforeseen path. Yes, your choice could result in losses to various degrees. However, no one, not the richest or the smartest person on this planet, know exactly what tomorrow will bring. And thus, not making any choice may very well lead you to the exact fate that you fear. Because living in fear is likely to beget more fear as a result. Don't be afraid to keep discovering new versions of yourself. Your abundance is waiting for you to get used to the new you that you are becoming. Be open to the idea that you may be wrong about your entire process of thought. Be open to the idea that you can make mistakes, you can misstep, and free yourself from the crippling idleness that fear creates out of your life. The right choice will be the choice that you take. So that's it, Howell family. Those are the 4 steps on how to make the right choice and to start moving forward today. Thank you for watching this video until the end. You are appreciated. Like and share this video and consider subscribing to this channel if you haven't already. I'll see you here next time on Howell Consultations, the how-to being true to you.